Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how I made my faux rhinestone template. First thing we're going to do is go type us a word. I'm using the word mama today. And then I am going to give her some color and also choose a different font. Let's see. Oh, that one's cute. I'm also going to up my character spacing so we can get some more rhinestone in between all these letters. I'm using Control Plus to make my canvas bigger. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is go up to Object and push Convert to Path. Then I'm going to go to my Offset panel and start giving my word some offsets. So this first offset, you want it to be pretty close to your word. I think I usually like to start doing at 0.050. I'm going to hit apply. Then you'll notice that there's little boxes around the letters. You'll want to go back up to Object to group it and then also convert that to a path. And then we're going to give it another offset and bump this probably to, let's see how that looks. I want to do a little bit more. Okay, that looks good. Apply. Same thing, Object, Group, Object, Convert to Path. And then we're just going to keep repeating these steps. With each offset we add, I'm going to add some space or some distance in between each offset. Okay, Group, Path, Offset again. And the farther out the offset, the more distance I want to put in between them, because I want it to look cascadey, if that's a word. Okay, let's do a few more offsets. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, convert to path, and I think this is gonna be my last offset. Make that one on out there. There we go. Okay. Okay, now that we are done with our offsets, we're going to start giving it the rhinestone look. So I'm Control Plus again. I'm going to move my word out of here. And then I'm going to grab my most inward offset, and then I'm going to go to the rhinestone panel. Right here in the rhinestone panel where it says rhinestone effect, I'm going to click the first one, and I'm going to start my size at 0. I think that's cute. Yeah, that one looks good. Okay, once I'm happy with that one, I'm going to move to the next layer. Same thing, we're going to click it and then click the second option. I like to bump my size up of rhinestones each layer. And then I also like to add some distance. So the first one was 0.039. This one I'm going to do 0.0. Let's see what 60 looks like. Oh yeah, that's cute. Okay. And then we're just going to keep repeating that. And I'm going to go back up in size again. And then let's see. I'm going to do 100 on this one. Oh, that's too much. Let's do 80. Oh, not 800. 080. Oh yeah, that one's cute. Okay. I'm gonna bump this one up now to size 5. And now let's try the 100 for the spacing. Oh yeah, that's cute. Okay. Okay. And you can figure out what kind of spacing and size you like. This is just what I like to do. Let's do 150. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. Up in size. And this one, I usually like it pretty spaced out, so I'm just going to drag it until I feel like I like the way it looks. That's pretty cute. I like that. Okay, Control minus, gonna back out. I'm gonna drag over all of it and give it some color to make sure I like the way it looks. Very cute. And then I'm going to put my word back into the middle of it. And now you have created a faux rhinestone template. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you have any questions or what other videos you'd like to see. Thanks, guys.